Hey, this is Dan from Meraki. Here's the awesome, gooey, flaky blueberry pie that I know you'll enjoy. We will need 5 cups of blueberries divided into 3 cups and 2 cups, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2/3 to 3/4 cup sugar, depending on how sweet you want, 1.5 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of water, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of lemon, 1 pie shell recipe from an extra special guy, and an egg, possibly with happy face. So let's get started. In a frying pan, we're going to put our sugar, our cornstarch, our salt, and water. And over heat, we're going to stir, and we're going to break up all the chunks until everything is smooth, and it'll start boiling. And let's keep it boiling for about a minute. After everything is smooth and boiling, we're going to add 3 cups of our blueberries. Let's give them a stir, and we're going to let the water evaporate so it gets nice and thick. Once thickened to your desired consistency, we're going to remove from the heat. This is going to be that nice saucy texture. The berries are all breaking down. It's going to be nice, gooey, and just beautiful. Now that our filling is off the heat, we're going to drop in our butter and we're going to stir it in until it melts. Now we're going to add our lemon juice and the rest of our blueberries. By having both the broken down blueberries and the whole blueberries in the filling, it's going to be just a little more palatable and a lot nicer in the mouth. All we're going to do now is just give it a stir, and then we're going to remove from the heat, put in a bowl, and allow to cool. Now let's preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After making our pie crust recipe linked below, and we're going to line our pie mold and our muffin tin with our super flaky awesome crust. Fill our shells with our filling. I like to fill them a lot because I think that pie should be bursting with filling, but it's up to you how much you want to use. Now we can make the tops of our pies. This one right here is going to be a lattice and it's going right on top of our bigger pie. So I found a little jar that measures roughly the size of the top of my big pie, and I'm going to cut it to that shape, and I'm just going to slip it on top. On the muffin tray pies, I'm just going to do a little hatch, and it's going to look beautiful for something small like that. Next, we can fix any little broken part or ugly part with a little paring knife. And there you go, easy peasy. Now we're going to apply our egg wash. All we do is crack the egg into a little bowl, and we're going to brush it over the top of our pie. That's it, and it's going to give that nice golden color to the top. Now we just put them into the oven. The muffin tray pies are going to take about 30 minutes. The bigger pie over here is going to take about 40, and an even bigger pie, like a full-size pie, would be about 50 minutes. Pull them out, rest them, and there you go. This is just fantastic. Oh my God.